In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a payment in Payoneer. First, open your web browser and search for Payoneer. When the results appear, click the official Payoneer website. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on the legitimate site by checking the URL and the secure lock icon in the address bar. This helps you avoid phishing pages and keeps your account safe. On the home page, click Sign In. Enter your registered email address and your password, then proceed. If you're prompted for additional verification, just follow the on-screen steps. As a best practice, avoid signing in on public devices and never share your login credentials. Once you're in your account, go to the Get Paid section. From there, select Receiving Accounts to access the payment tools and then choose Request a Payment. The wording and placement can vary slightly by account type or region, but you'll be looking for the option to request a payment from a client. You'll now see the request form. If you're billing a new client, click Add New Client and enter their details: name, email, and country. Make sure the email is correct, since that's where the secure payment link will be sent. If the client is already in your list, simply select them to save time. Next, indicate whether your payer is a company or an individual. Choose the option that matches your agreement and how the payer should appear on the invoice. This helps with accurate records and can affect what information is required. Enter the amount you're requesting and select the appropriate currency, such as USD, EUR, or GBP. Align this with what you and your client agreed to. Keep in mind that fees and conversion rates may apply if the payment or receiving currency differs from your balance. Provide a short, clear description of the services or goods provided. A concise line that includes the project name, delivery dates, or an invoice or purchase order number helps your client's finance team approve and process the payment without back and forth. Set a payment due date that reflects your terms. Consider business days and time zones to give your client a fair window to pay on time. For a professional touch, click Attach File to upload a PDF invoice, contract, or proof of work. Naming files clearly and including totals and dates improves credibility and can speed up approvals. Finally, review everything carefully: client details, amount, currency, description, due date, and attachments. When it all looks correct, click Request Payment. Your client will receive an email with a secure link to pay you, and you're done.